COVID cases here in our city continue to rise. Today, the city says the number of confirmed and probable positive cases is at 712. But if you look just 2 weeks ago, we were at 361. If you look back in January, that number at nearly 8,000. So that's a look and gives you some perspective on where we're at right now. Now, despite the rising number in cases, the number of hospitalizations does remain low. Just 20 people currently hospitalized right now. That number down actually from 2 weeks ago. You could see we were at 37. And again, just reminding you of where we have been. The height of the pandemic all the way back in April of last year at 1,673. Mayor Bill de Blasio says the vaccine is to thank for those low hospitalization rates that we're seeing right now and encourages anyone who still hasn't gotten their shot to do so. Now, new information tonight as the mayor is still saying he has not ruled out mandating vaccines for going into restaurants and other public indoor spaces. News 12's Darissa White is over on Arthur Avenue tonight, taking over this part of our coverage tonight. Darissa?
Well, people here on Arthur Avenue coming in and out of restaurants, some vaccinated and some not. But that may potentially change as the mayor, as COVID cases continue to rise. Mayor Bill de Blasio was on the Brian Lehrer Show this morning when asked if he's considering adopting France's policy of requiring proof of vaccination before entering a restaurant or public space. This is what he had to say.
That's a direction we need to seriously consider. I think there's a lot to be said for that.
Some restaurant owners saying they simply won't follow the mandates if it happens.
I'm not going to ask anybody. Just like when they had to sign in, people would put crazy names, but who am I to ask? I'm not the police. I'm not going to. You know, if he wants that done, maybe he should come here and do it.
Some customers we spoke to had mixed opinions.
I personally think that it's a good idea to show your vaccination card. I think if you're doing a good job and you're staying responsible and you're getting your vaccination, I think it's fair that you have that proof that you're, taking responsibility as a good citizen.
Normally vaccination records or any medical records you don't need to show. That's kind of private information. I feel like you never have to show your medical information anyways, so why would you have to do that?
Now, Darissa, this is just an idea at this point that the mayor isn't ruling out. But what is the mayor doing right now to try to get our COVID numbers down?
Well, right now, the mayor is urging private employers to get their employees vaccinated and really do whatever they can to get the vaccination numbers up. They're trying to immediately move towards some type of mandate, and that's really the most that they can realistically do. Sabrina.
Darissa, thank you.